Resilient one mass
push for
design.
thinner smartphones has made a serious comeback in 2025. Companies everywhere are trying to show how slim they can make their flagship devices, and Samsung has been right in the middle of that trend.
It will be
The
following the
Galaxy
broader
S25 Edge is the latest example, even if it
Flagship
didn't
phones
turn into
becoming
the big hit Samsung hoped it would be.
with
But all this
sales
talk
beginning
about
in March
thin phones
2026.
brings us back to an
That
older
timeline
device,
lines up with
one that
Samsung's
still
usual
quietly holds a
Either
record
way,
most
we can
Samsung
expect
fans don't
slightly
even
faster
realize.
and more
That phone
reliable
is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, released in 2020. It marked the end of the iconic
Then
series.
simply point your notebook
Turns
to
out that
another
even today,
and share your
5
masterpiece
years
with
later,
UWB
it remains
technology.
the thinnest
It's that
ultra
easy.
phone Samsung has ever made.
To play.
Yes,
This is
even
Samsung
with
Galaxy
all
Note
of
20 and
Samsung's
Note 20
recent
Ultra.
efforts to slim down the Galaxy S Ultra models, including the new S25 Ultra, none of them have managed to beat the
Enhanced
Note 20
with Galaxy
Ultra's thin
Note 20
profile.
Ultra,
Honestly,
Galaxy Watch.
most people wouldn't have noticed this if Samsung hadn't started focusing on slimness again this year. Let's take a look at the numbers, because the comparison is pretty interesting. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 8.1 mm, Galaxy S20 Ultra 8.8 mm, Galaxy S21 Ultra 8.9 mm, Galaxy S22 Ultra 8.9 mm, Galaxy S24 Ultra 8.9 mm, Galaxy S25 Ultra 8.2 mm, Galaxy S6 Ultra's rumor rate 7.9 mm. As you can see, year after year, Samsung has been trimming things down. The S25 Ultra got close, dropping to 8.2 mm, but still didn't beat that 8.1 mm thickness from 2020. And now, the upcoming S26 Ultra is rumored to hit 7.9 mm, which would finally dethrone the Note 20 Ultra and make it the new thinnest Ultra phone. But there's something important to keep in mind. Every S Ultra model after the Note 20 Ultra includes a much larger 5000 mAh battery, while the Note 20 Ultra only had a 500 mAh battery. That extra battery capacity adds thickness. So even though the Note 20 Ultra still holds the record, Samsung actually improved battery life while trying to reduce thickness over the years. Surprise, not an easy balance. Things are getting there are also other factors that could explain why the Note remained thinner. It could be differences in build materials, internal components, or overall hardware layout. When the Galaxy S22 Ultra launched with a design that looked almost identical to the Note 20 Ultra, many people expected it to match the thickness too. But the S22 Ultra ended up thicker and heavier, mostly because of that bigger battery and new internal structure. What's funny is that the Note 20 Ultra might have kept this crown without anyone realizing it. Samsung stopped the Note lineup, the S Ultra evolved, and people moved on. But now that slim phones are trending again, the Note 20 Ultra is suddenly back in the spotlight. The sad part is that the phone is no longer supported with major updates. It's a beautiful device with that iconic squared-off Note design, but its software life has already ended. Still, if you're using the Note 20 Ultra
just like a
in
real pen,
2025, there's a bit of
except it's got a
unexpected pride
brain.
in
If
knowing
your
you're
ideas start
holding
to
the
take a
thinnest
turn,
Samsung
Note
Ultra
20's
ever
AI
made.
uses millions
At
of
least
sample
for now,
sentences
because once the
to keep
Galaxy
them right on
S26
track
Ultra
on the
launches
big
next year,
screen
will
with
likely take the
Samsung
crown.
DeX's
With
wireless
its rumored
connection.
7.9 mm
And do
profile,
two things at
it's
once.
set to become the slimmest Ultra model Samsung has ever released. But until that happens,
Does what
the
your
Note 20
desktop
Ultra remains
doesn't.
unbeatable.
Now you can convert your
even
notes to
after all these
PowerPoint
years,
videos.
the first
You'll be
and
able to
last
pick
Note
up voice
Ultra still
clearly.
stands out. It really was ahead of its time, and its design continues to make an impact long after Samsung retired the Note lineup.